We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Softail Fat Boy. This one is in amber and black with the double pinstriping. We have engine guards and highway bars, rider floorboards. Comes with a 103 cubic inch engine. We have passenger pegs and a Vance & Hine exhaust. We also have these really nice Viking saddlebags that clip and lock. Really nice feature. There's a luggage rack as well, and we also have the Saddleman 2-up seat. Extremely comfortable. Heel toe shifter. There's also a helmet lock and a nice tall windshield. This bike also has ABS, front and rear. We are keyless, we run off of a fob. Super nice feature. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open and available for test rides 6 days a week.